A common sight in landscapes are root suckers that grow from the base of trees. Now you can see these on large trees, but more often on small ornamental trees such as crepe myrtles. And I'm here with Dr. Damon Abdi, landscape horticulturist for the Ag Center, to learn a little bit more about these.
So suckers emerge from the roots as these leaves are seeking sunlight. Oftentimes this is a response to some kind of mechanical wounding that can happen to the base of the trunk, such as if people are weed eating around it. So one of the best things you can do throughout the year is remove suckers as they emerge.
So when removing these, how exactly do you cut? Do you cut close to the tree and all the way to the bottom, or what?
So depending on it, what you want to do is you want to cut close and remove the whole thing. These are small enough that they don't have developed a bark collar or branch collar. So you'd want to remove this right to the edge of the trunk. Now keep in mind, if you let it linger and it keeps growing, it's going to keep resprouting, so repeat pruning is necessary to keep this in check.
And if we want to prevent this from happening even more, how can we protect the tree so that it's not hit by equipment?
So one of the best things you can do to prevent any of that mechanical damage is to put a nice mulch ring around it. It's going to help delineate areas of the landscape and keep that from being an issue.
All right, well those are great tips, and I'm glad to know that cutting these won't actually hurt the tree itself. For Get It Growing, I'm Jason Stagg with Dr. Damon Abdi for the LSU Ag Center.